It's a glowing.
Very nice.
Very nice.
Good morning, sir. Myself, Adarsh Kumar, I study in standard 8. This is our science project. Apollo bomb is a technique that enables us to create the images of any bomb, which is circle, 2D dimensional shape that has one curved face is called a circle, triangle. A triangle has 3 vertex, 3 sides, and 3 angles. This is add symbol, this is subtraction symbol, and this is multiplication symbol. Parallelogram. A parallelogram is a quadrilateral where the both sides are equal in length. Find a 2D shape